Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Apeks Surface Pressure Gauge. So this, as you can see, is available in both A-clamp and DIN. So depending on your preference, whether you use A-clamp or DIN regulators, there's an option for you. So this is basically a very quick and easy way to check the cylinder pressure of your cylinders without having to get all your regulators out and attach them on and sort out all the hoses, pressurize it, check the pressure, and then depressurize it. You're losing quite a lot of gas by filling up all those hoses. You're only filling up a tiny little sort of section, so you're not wasting too much gas. So the DIN version, obviously, like your regulators, will just screw into your cylinder valve. Just do that out finger tight as you would normally. Pressurize the cylinder and or pressurize the gauge, sorry. That'll tell you exactly how much gas you got in bar, and then switch off your cylinder, press the little bleed valve, and then you can take it out, and then you know exactly how much pressure you have in that cylinder. So a very useful sort of piece of kit, especially if you're diving with lots of different cylinders. You can't remember sort of what pressures are in which, making sure that you pick up the right cylinder before you assemble it onto your kit. A very useful piece of kit is the Apeks Surface Pressure Gauge. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.